Today it's about 30 degrees, snowy in Pennsylvania. We're gonna take it for a little bit of a drive. Let's start it up first. Whew, it's chilly out. It's probably in the 30s, 20s with the wind chill. Probably got a couple of inches, 2 to 3 maybe. Wow, this is nuts. Woo. I think the plan is to test out Audi's Quattro in some low risk open parking lot maneuvers. We have a Costco right down the road. See if I can find a nice open spot. Just do a little bit of slow driving, nothing nuts. Nothing that'll get me in trouble with the law, hopefully. Or driving in general, in terms of going too sideways. Everyone knows it's my 2022 Audi S4 Premium Plus. We got the Sport package. So we have upgraded red brake calipers that are very dirty right now. Red interior. Sport package includes the limited slip differential in the rear as well. And it is Hasse Frio. If I've learned anything from driving very limitedly in the snow is be slow, do actions one at a time, and be very smooth. And stay away from the brake pedal as much as you can. All-wheel drive is no substitute, no matter how good it is. Quattro, four-wheel drive, X-Drive is no substitute for grip. Good tires, tires that have good life on them. You don't want the tread to be worn out too much, and just safe practices and habits. I'm sure there are plenty of rear-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, winter tire drivers that are probably better than most of the all-wheel drive all seasons with about 2 minutes left on their tread life in SUVs. Found our nice open parking lot. I just want to clean up the car a little bit more, let it continue to warm up. Good for the most part. All right. Since we don't need to rip it, the car's warm enough for me. We'll just set off a little bit, find a good spot. We have a good amount of distance between some of these medians, so. Just kind of starts to plow. The weight of the engine kind of just keeps it, the front of the car down, and you kind of result in some understeer. I don't see any traction warning lights. I'm very surprised about that one. Again, not a ton of snow. I do have all seasons on here, so I'm not in the best kind of tire for grip, but not the worst either. They're still pretty new. Whoop, it's a median. You can feel the car kind of cutting power. Yeah, absolutely, just cut power. Woo! Always want to look where you're going, where you want to be, not where your car is going. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. If it wrapped that up, you know, I'm still not very confident in it, so I was glad I was able to practice in a parking lot, with some limited traction situations. Overall, I thought the car was a little bit playful, but even with the traction control on, it was definitely cutting a ton of power. Makes sense. My biggest takeaway is that I struggle too much with wanting to go towards the brake and not just kind of understanding which way, you know, when the car understeers, let off the gas slightly and gingerly, and when it, you know, the rear comes out, I'm actually a little bit better than that because it just feels a little bit more disconnected. Like when you're when you feel the car swing around, you know, I intuitively swing to the left. So I definitely want to keep practicing, and I hope everyone enjoyed. I hope everyone gives it a like and subscribe. And see everyone on the next one. Let me know your thoughts.